Hello guys, welcome to Sam Presto Films, and this is Sam Presto. Today I'm going to be discussing with you guys how you can actually advertise on YouTube this 2021 and reach larger audience, advertise your whatever you do, your content, your business, your play, I don't know, whatever you create on YouTube, how you can actually get those reach a maximum view. So without wasting your time, let's get into it. Okay, so this is YouTube and I'm using one of my guys' page, Dre Films. Go follow him. He has some skits here that will make you laugh. Okay, so this is his videos, and today our plan is how to advertise any of the video. We pick any of the video and we run an advert on it and to reach larger audience. So what do you do first? There's so many ways you can do this, but I want to give you the actual way to reach a larger audience. You can actually come here and hit promote. Cool. Once you hit promote from here, it takes you straight to Google ad. And if you've never created a Google ad, this is your first time of creating a Google ad. From Google ad, you can actually advertise on Google Hotspot, Google Blogspot, and every other Google product where you have your whatever content. So all Google products or all Google platforms, they are all linked to these Google ads. So, but today we are using YouTube here. So you hit get started. So this account has no proper information, so that's why it's inactive. So we want to reactivate it right now. Okay, welcome back. We're able to sort out the profile, but in case you're experiencing any problem like this, hit me on the comment section. I can walk you through how to set it up. So, but this is the Google ads. This is the home page. So what we need to do now is to create new campaign by hitting here. You create new campaign. You have a lot of campaign: sales, leads, web traffic, product and brand consideration, brand awareness and reach, app promotion, local store visit and promotion. Create a campaign without a goals guidance. So that's what we're going to be doing. So because it's a video we are doing, we are trying to reach not an app or a smartphone or vicinity. So you hit the video. So custom video campaign is already checked, so we use that, and you hit continue. So it opens on this new setup. So you go ahead and give your video campaign a name. Come over here, delete this, and give it a name: YouTube video. Video ad. Okay. So on bid, we're going to be using the CPV, maximum play view, instead of the target CPM. So then budget and dates. So this way you put in your budget. You want to daily budget or total campaign, how much you want to spend in total, or you want to do the daily budget. I think let's do the daily budget. So our daily budget, we can, this in Naira. If you're in Nigeria, this is Naira, but if you're not in Nigeria, you just change the currency. So let's put daily budget, let's put it for, let's make it 1,000 Naira, but you can always increase it. Okay, then our start date and end date, you come over here to edit it. When does this advert start? You click here, you say let it start on Monday, which is 18th of January 2021. When do you want it to end? Most time people don't know how to end their YouTube ad. This is it. It's on none. You come here and click dates to end it. So you want it to end on we are starting on the 18th and we want it to end on Sunday 24th. So far, meaning that every day 1,000 Naira. For 1 week, you're spending 7,000 Naira on this ad. So that is it. Then we go to networks, display. So you want it to display YouTube search results. When people search something on YouTube, you know those first line you see with ad sign. So do you want it to display there? We advise no, because most people don't really trust it. They just want to see the natural content people put. So people will not really click there to see it once they see it's an advert. So we uncheck that. So we can leave it on YouTube videos and video partner display network, but we can still uncheck the video partners. We leave it strictly on YouTube video. So so YouTube video, that is the video that pops up before the advert, and those videos here. Then countries, do you want to restrict it to Nigeria or every country, or you can just enter the location yourself? You hit location, then you search. You can come to advanced search where you use the map here. So this is the map by the search. So you can actually type any location. I can type Ghana. So Ghana as a country, target. So I have Ghana included. I can type Nigeria too. Nigeria as a country. So I have Nigeria. Then I can enter Cameroon. Cameroon as a country. I have it included too. So I have these 3 countries. I want the advert to be rolling on. I hit save. So it's save. It's giving me impression that with these 3 countries, in 1 week, I can hit up to 80 million impressions. So let's go. Language. It's already on all language, which is good. Extend. Define your ad. So let's hit that. Standard, limited, extended inventory. So we leave it on the standard there. So exclude where you don't want your videos to show on. So mostly you will like your videos to show on everything, but I will advise you to just exclude some places like embedded videos. When somebody goes to a site to watch a video of a particular product or a particular content, and they took their time to visit a site and they want to see that video, that site might be linking with YouTube. So once they open the site to see that video and your ad pops up, they might likely going to skip it. So most people have patience for adverts when they see it on YouTube. Even though they will skip it, but somebody will not go to a site to watch video and see ad, he will skip it immediately. So we just tick on the embedded YouTube videos. Then every other one you can leave it. Then create your ad group and everything. So you go on, set up the ad group name again. So we use the same name up. So YouTube video ad. So demography, who do you want to reach? The age, female, male, unknown, everybody. I think we just leave this check like this, everybody. Your audience. This where you add the extra audience you want to meet, the business people, what is it called? So, sorry, the screen went off. So this way you add the business people. The other side, if you have time, you can check, you select all, so you have a lot of reach. So keyword, is there any keyword you have in mind? Depending on what your video is all about. If it's poetry, you can put poetry. If it's filmmaking, if it's hair, bone straight, you can just put bone straight. So for anybody searching all those kind of keyword there, your advert will pop up there. So topics, people. So these are all how to increase your reach and where YouTube will place your advert depending on what people are watching. So placement, let's go to placement. Now, YouTube channel, YouTube video, line of video, website, apps categories. So you can decide not to the placement where YouTube place it, depending on what people do. Where channels, they will not advertise it on channels, they will just advertise it. But I will advise on the placement here, you should leave everything the way it is so that your ad can actually go round. Then billing, maximum bid per bid. So the higher your bid, the higher YouTube will play your advert first before another person's advert. If people are bidding for 10 naira or 15 naira per video, 100 naira per video, so and you're bidding on 50 naira, so they will play those people that have 100 naira first before they play yours. So let's leave this on 100 naira. Then let's go to create your video. So now here this is where you put your YouTube video you want to create. You copy the link. You can actually create a YouTube ad that is not even on your own channel. You just get the link and paste it here. So in case you're advertising for somebody else, so this way you now go copy the link of the video. So let's go to YouTube, Dre Films, okay, channel, content. So this is the video he did, Happy Christmas song. So we just go here, get shareable link, copy it, then you come over here and paste it. So this is the video we are advertising. So it asks you what do you want, skippable, in-stream, video discovery, and all those ones. So we put it on skippable, meaning this is how it appears before people watch their video. This is how they see it, skippable, and all those stuffs. So you can actually leave, if you have your website you want people to reach, so you can put your website here. Let me use my website, www.samprestofilms.com. So this is what people see. So when people click here now, they go straight to the website, but most time it's usually small. Let's go to the desktop view. This is how the website will appear here. See, it's very small and all those stuff. So, but most time this is what I would prefer. I use call to action. If I check on the call to action, it comes out very big. Call to action, you see it here now. So it's a big stuff that people can actually click than the website. So what I do on the call to action, I can just tell them what I want. I can say message me, or I can say learn more, or visit. So I can say see more or watch more. So let me say watch more. Watch more. So you see it is big here. They can actually see watch more, and under it is now my website. So they can actually see the call to action is bigger than the normal watch more. So if you have advanced link you want to do again, you can. If you want to upload image too on this, you can actually upload image too, that will be below, but I don't think you need image so that you don't get the whole place choked and crowded. So let's leave it like this. I think we are done. Now you're going to create your image. You can even test it. You can preview to see how it will look. Now, this is the preview. This is somebody's film and it's already saying some presto film, watch more. So it can be skipped this way. Once you skip it, this is a demo version. So let's go back to our tutorial here. So I think we are done. What you do next is just to hit using channel banner. So let it generate the banner. So what you do here is to just hit create campaign, and your campaign is ready to go. So this is the overview of the campaign. It shows you congratulations, your campaign is ready. From 18 to 24, no goods selected, CPV, inventory standard, all language, group 1 and 2. So you say continue, and your campaign is ready to go. And If the only thing it will do now is to ask you for your billing setup. If you've not done billing setup, you just need to put in your cards and every other thing, and it charges you once the campaign is done. So that's easy steps to reach larger audience. So this way you're able to narrow it down to the people you want to view, the people you want to reach. So, and I think that is all. And if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit on that subscribe button for more advanced tutorial coming your way. If you have any question, hit it on the comment section and I will reply to it personally. And thank you. This is Sam Presto from Sam Presto Films. See you on the next video.